Hello student, in this video I will explain factors and factorization and also solve exercise 18.2 problems. So factors, factor means when and algebraic expression when an algebraic expression can be written as product of two or more expression, then each of these expression is called factors of the given expression. Okay, so the word factors means when an algebraic expression can be written as product of two or more expression, then each of these expression is called factors of the given expression. Okay, and factorization. The word factorization means the process of finding two or more expression whose product is the given expression is called factorization. Okay, factorization means the process of finding two or more expression whose product is the given expression. The process of finding two or more expression whose product is the given expression is called factorization. Okay. Okay, so I will take an example to explain these two the terms factor and factorization. So suppose an algebraic expression where x square, so this can be written as 2 into 3 into x into y. Okay, so there The definition of factors: when an algebraic expression can be written as product of two or more expression, then each these expression is called factors. Okay, so this is the an expression which can written as the product of two or more expression. Then each expression, okay, means 2. Each expression is called factors of the given expression. Means we can say 2 is a factor of 12x square y and x is a factor of 12x square y. Factorization, the process of finding two or more expression whose product is the given expression, then it is called the factorization. Okay, so means we can say factorization is the reverse process of multiplication. Okay, means if multiply all the factors, then we will find the original expression. Means after multiplication of these factors, we will find the original expression, which 12x square y. Okay, so this is the factors and factorization. And now in exercise 8.2, I will solve this problem. This is based on factor and factorization of an algebraic expression. Okay. So this is the question number first of exercise 18.2. Find the highest common factors of the following monomials. The first, x to the power 4, y to the power 3, comma x square y, and second, this is 14p square q square r to the power 4, 49p square q square r, and 35p q r. Okay. So highest common factor is HCl. Okay, means we have to find HCl of the given monomials. Okay, so okay, so the highest common factor will be find out by to retain the given expression in factors form. Okay. So now write the given expression. This is x to the power 4, y to the power 3. Okay, so I will write its factor. So this is x to the power 4 means x into x 4 times, and y to the power 3 means y into y 3 times. X square y equal to, this is x into y. Okay, then highest common factor is HCF equal to HCF. This will be taking out common term. Okay, in both the factors. Okay, so here we have find out x as a common and x 1x 2x and 1y. Okay, and factorization is taking product. So this will be x square y. Okay, so here highest common factor x to the power 4, y to the power 3, and x square y square equal to x square y square. Okay, this is the answer. Now move to the second part. This is 14 p square q r to the power 4. Okay, now factorize this expression 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 2 7 is 14, and p square written as the product of p into p 2 times into q 1 times q into r to the power 4. This means 4 times r into r. The second expression is 49 p square q square r. Okay, so 49 written as 7 into 7 into p to the power 2 means p into p, and this is a q into q and r. Okay, and next is 35 pqr. 35 pqr. 35 can be written as 5 into 7, product of 5 into 7, and this is a p into q into r. Okay, so highest common factor of okay, then highest common factor is equal to 7 into p into q into r. Okay, now taking its product, so this becomes 7 p q r. Okay, so this is the highest common factor 7 p q r of the given expression 14 p square q r to the power 4, 49 p square q square r, and 35 p q r. Okay, so this is the answer of second part. Okay, this is the third and fourth part of question number 1, and find their highest common factor, which HCF. So this can be written as minus a to the power 5 is equal to minus 1 into product of a 5 times a into a into a into a into a. Okay, product of a 5 times, and second expression, this is a b to the power 3. So this is written as a into a into okay 1 times a and 3 times the product of b is b into b. Okay, and so we have only a as a common factors. Okay, so therefore highest common factor of minus a to the power 5 and ab to the power 3 is a. Okay, so this is the highest common factor of minus a to the power 5 and a b to the power 3. Okay, now move to the fourth part. This is 6a square minus 18 a to the power 6 minus 12 a square, and also find the common factor of these three expressions. So expression 6a square. Now write all the factors of this expression. So factors are 6a square, 6, the factor of 6 is 2 into 3, and 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and a square write a product of a into a 2 times, and the second expression, this is minus 18 a to the power 6, minus 18 a to the power 6 can be written as product of minus 1 into 18. This is written as 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 3 is 18, and a to the power 6. This is a into a into a into a. 1 2 3 4 5 into 6 times a. So here we have a common factor 3 2 1 3 1 2 1 3 and 2a. Okay, so therefore highest common factor. Okay, and also I have got another expression. This is minus 12. Okay, I forget this. Minus 12 a square. Okay, so minus 12 a square can be written as product of minus 1 into 2 into 3 into product of a into a. Okay, so common factors 1 2 and 1 3, and this is 2a. Okay, so highest common factor is HCF, which is equal to 2 into product of 3 into a square. Okay, a into a is a square. So this is a 6a square. Okay, 6a square is a highest common factor of 6a square minus 18 a to the power 2 and minus 12 a to the power 2. Okay, this is the fifth part of question number 1. 3 y to the power 3 z square, 15 y to the power 4 z square, 18 y to the power 6 z to the power cube. Okay, and need to find the highest common factors of these three expressions. So first expression 3 y to the power 3 z square written as product of 3 into 3 times y into y, and 2 times z means z into z. Second expression 15 y to the power 4 z square. Okay, this is written as 3 into 5 product of, and 4 times y means y into y, and product of z 2 times z into z. Okay, so here common 3 common in both the expression, and 3 also 3y common, and 2z. Okay, so this is the common highest common factor 3 into 3y, product of 3y and product of 2z. Now combining these factors, so we will find this is y power 3 z square. Okay, so dear children, this is the highest common factors आप the expression 3 y by power 3 z square 15 y by power 4 z square 18 y by power 6 z by power 3. So this is the required answer.